Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today's video I'll be showing you how you can use castor oil and peppermint essential oil on your hair for your hair grow. So this is my castor oil and my peppermint oil. So this is an empty bottle, so I'm going to add some castor oil inside the bottle, then I will add some few drop of peppermint oil inside also. So guys, to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming, and if you see my video on YouTube for the first time, decide to watch, thank you for watching. And please, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to see more of my video. Turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my video. So guys, this is how far I added the castor oil to the bottle. I don't really fill it up, so because castor oil is a thick oil, I'm going to add some sweet almond oil to the castor oil to make it look a little bit lighter. So because I'm going to be putting on my scalp, so if you don't want it to be so heavy on your scalp, you can also add any type of oil that you like. So now after adding the 2 spoon of almond oil, now it's time for me to add about 10 drop of my peppermint oil to my already to my oil that is already inside the bottle. So guys, I'm going to add 10 drops, so it's very difficult for the peppermint essential oil to come out of the bottle, but finally it came out. Glory be to God. So guys, if you have tried this before and you like it, just leave your comment in the comment section below. If you have not tried and you wear a protective style, you braid your hair, you roll your hair, you any style that you do as a protective style, this is going to be a very good remedy for you to use on your scalp. Like, it's going to help to retain length. It's going to help you to condition your scalp. It's going to put your scalp in a very good condition, and going to also help you to promote hair growth. So now I've already added the oil to this. Just going to shake it up, shake it and mix everything together, as you can see me doing right here. So this is my scalp massage oil. I can use it on my hair when my hair is on protective style, just to keep my hair growing. So this is very good. You can go anywhere with it. Very nice. If you don't have this kind of bottle, you can use any applicator bottle that you have, or it's going to be also be good that you can know you will easily have access to your scalp. Just use it. As you can see, this have a little hole inside, so it's going to be really easy for me to use on my scalp. So now I'm just going to show you guys how you can use it on your scalp. So guys, also, let me say something direct on camera today. So this is the oil that I just made. So this is how I'm going to be showing you how you can use it on your hair, even when you are on protective style like me. So this is castor, almond oil and peppermint essential oil. So I will be putting it on my scalp, massage it, and also at the length of my hair. So let's go. Let me show you guys how. So because this have a little hole where the oil can come out, just a drop like this. The hole is not that much. If you don't have this kind of bottle, you can use your applicator bottle. You can use this type of applicator bottle with this small mat like this. So let me show you. You can see, just like so, you massage it, you put it on your hair, you massage it like so. And you massage. So after you have put it on your scalp, use your hand to massage. So when you are done massage, you put a little bit on your hand, on your palm, like so. Then you rub your hand together and use it to rub your hair. So you take it and you put it at the ends of your hair. So this is how you use castor oil, almond oil and peppermint oil on your hair for your hair grow. Leave your hair like this, your hair is going to be growing. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and remember to turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss out any of my new video. Okay, thank you for watching.